Want to connect Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to your smartphone? Follow these steps. Turn on your Smart Band 10 and select English. Download the Xiaomi app by scanning the QR code with your phone. Open the link in Chrome and click Get to start downloading. Confirm the download if prompted, especially on iPhones. Launch the app after the download finishes. Grant the mandatory permissions requested by the app. Select your region by entering your country. Exit the app and scan the QR code again with the camera. Open the app from the camera prompt. Navigate to the device section in the app. Allow the device to be found by the app. Sign in to your Xiaomi account if not already connected. Tap the plus button to add a new device. Select Smart Band 10 from the device list. Confirm the connection on your Smart Band. Then confirm the connection on your phone. Click Allow to enable notifications and features. And that's it. Subscribe for more tech tutorials.